Hello YouTube. Been a while since I made a video on the EcoBoost Mustang. So this video I'm getting ready to put a window banner on that I've got from American Muscle. And so I got the windshield all cleaned off with Windex, and I'm going to get the banner out now and I'll pause back in then. Okay, I got a decal out of the box, and let me show you what came in the box. Got the decal here, and the instructions came in the box, and the squeegee. The other vinyl stripe kits that I got didn't come with a squeegee, so what I used on those was it's a pastry spatula, I guess you call it. And it's pretty soft, got the nice rounded edge. I just cut the handle off, you know, like 88 cents at Walmart or something. But that's what I used to put these decals on, the spears, hood spears, and my rocker stripes, which you can't see right now. But so I read the instructions, pretty straightforward. Clean the windshield, line it up with tape, and that's what I'm going to do next. Clean it, just the regular stuff. So I'll get that taped on. I'll pause out here. You don't need to watch me tape it off. You just got to get it on there and get it centered where you want it before you start putting pressure to it. So I'm going to pause out here. Okay, so I've got the window banner here. I found center, and the way I've done that is I just took the decal, folded it in half to where the lettering was right, put a little crease, mark it with the Sharpie so I can find center. And then as far as the windshield goes, I put a piece of tape across the top here to these ribs in the car on the same spot. Put a Sharpie mark there. I'll pull the tape off and do the same trick and fold it in half and find center. Then I'll put this tape back on. So I'll fold that tape in half, put a mark there, and then when I get ready to put it on, I'll just line them two up and we'll be centered up the car. So I'll pause out here and get that done. Okay, I got it taped on there. This painter's tape, this blue tape, doesn't hold very well on the glass, so I used the regular masking tape. So if you can see my marks there, pretty darn close. So that's all centered. I just went off of, you know, the edge of the car here on both sides, folded this tape in half. So now it's time to get it all sprayed down and put the decal on. So I'll try to do this fast. I hate long videos, so I try to keep them a little bit short. So I'll move as fast as I dare, and if it takes too long, I'll pause out. So let's give her a whirl. How's that? And the instructions said to use soap and water, but it also said you could use window cleaner, and I'm using Windex. I've seen it used before, so let's see how it does. Tricky. tape's not going to want to hold with it wet, so. Lovely assistant. Keep it pretty wet as much as you can. Once you get it laid on there, you can let that go. You can move it around a little bit, keep it wet. Centered on there. I like to work from the middle out. Work all the air bubbles out of it. Yeah, a little bit of conversation though while I'm doing this. If you like this video, I've got other videos on my channel, lots of different things. I've got another Mustang channel, or subscription I guess you'd call it, a movie channel. Playlist, that's what it is. Check out my channel, and got all kinds of different stuff on there. Maybe it'll interest you. Kind of boring, nothing to talk about, just working out these air bubbles. Like that. Let's try out the American Muscle squeegee. Pretty nice. Definitely a little bit better than the kitchen Walmart spatula that I was using. A little bit stiffer. Let's see how this looks. Watch while that comes off. I don't think it's quite ready yet. I think I'm going to pause out right now, let this dry for just a little bit. The decal's not wanting to stick yet, so I'll pause back in when I get it done. Okay, got it all done. Just got to let it dry and cure for a while. Kind of hard to even see. But I didn't want one that went bling and really popped, you know. I wanted something that was kind of subtle, kind of ghosty, I guess. But so give you a little shot from the inside. Actually see it better from the inside. Took my oil change sticker and put it on the mirror for right now. I don't know if you've seen that in the video, but so if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, click the thumbs up button twice. Share, like, and subscribe. Sure appreciate it. Check out my other playlists. I have lots of different videos on different subjects. Got the Y2K out there. Got videos of that. So yeah, have a good one.